So, you remember my first video about this pond? I've now cleaned out the pond. This is what inside looks like. Yeah, believe it or not, I was surprised when I was cleaning out the pond. Reason being, I removed what? 22 frogs? 22 frogs from this pond. I couldn't believe it that there was so much frogs there, because normally when we come here, because it was full with water and it was algae, I never see any. But 22 frogs. So the pond is cleaned out now. So basically my next step is to sort of plan out putting the pump in, probably putting some stones, a plant, and making the connections with the filter. As you can see here, that's the filter. Yeah, I put it there already. That's the pump in the box still there, and I have the cables there. Basically, I'm going to run the cables so I can get it under this shed and back in where the mains are connected. So I thought it was going to be a simple job, but it gets a bit more complicated. I end up going and buy some conduit cable, because I need to put the wires for the pump and the filter and run it through so that at least it's protected. So yeah, so I've set up everything correctly. So I'll put a couple stones in the pond. If you look carefully, you can see the pump, the fountain, and then the wire or cable from the pump to the filter. That's my filter there. So all is left for me to do now. I put a plant as well, which was in the pond initially. I'm surprised that it survived. But basically I put in a bucket of water. At one point the water dried and I didn't realize, and it was shrinking, but I managed to fill the bucket with water and it actually revived. So hopefully it will recover until it starts to flower again. Right, so basically my next move now, let me just walk around the pond. My next move will be, have a good look inside, is to fill it up and test to see if everything is working. Right, as you can see, my pond is filling up nicely now. I guess the other challenge that I have to overcome is that I've done everything right once I turn the pump and the filter on, to see that everything is working perfectly. Hopefully it is. You probably remember my first video, and I was saying that it might not be simple as ABC, and it was. I did have some problems with the fittings for the filter. Went to the shops and buy two 50mm elbows to connect to the filter. You can see those two white ones there. When I come home, they can't fit. Tried different things, still couldn't fit. I didn't want to put any. I just wanted like a compression elbow. Anyway, so I started getting frustrated. Anyway, I went back to the shop, and basically they have some 50mm elbows, which are 50mm on the inside and some on the outside. So luckily they had one which on one end is 50mm inside, the other end 50mm outside. So that was sorted by them. So that was quite good for me, really. So the pond is filling up nicely right now. So next thing for me to do is turn the pump on and the filter just to see how it's working. So I think I am going to do that. I'll keep the camera there for now on the fountain. The pond is not fully filled up yet, but I can see that everything is working. I haven't seen anything other than that. You can see my fountain, rice with mushroom. And the good thing as well, I have other cooking contains the fountain, so I'll probably change it around now and then, and let's see how the others work. But I like the idea of this mushroom one. I'm happy so far, really brilliant how this has went. It has been a journey for me because I've been so many times to the shop to get and also, you know, so I found it as quite rewarding. I want to find out I didn't do some pop now and then, but it seems more like a feature. But for now, I'm happy with what it is here now. So I'm just gonna get it run for maybe a week, and once it's finished, then I'll get some fishes inside